Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP UP bringing you another Grill Memoirs video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make easy barbecue turkey with just 4 ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. Now initially I thought about writing something thoughtful, sappy, and heartfelt for Thanksgiving. And yet, here we are. Anyway, all jokes aside, I genuinely hope some of those that are deployed get a chance to come home and spend it with their loved ones. And for those who don't, you give 100%, making it the best with what you have. No matter what's going on in the world, there's always something, and I do mean something, to be thankful for, even if it's the air you're breathing right now. Speaking of giving thanks, I'd just like to say thank you to everyone who has followed my channel, who's been following my blog over the last few years, and for those of you that have bought my SUPP UP products. SUPP UP brand has grown exponentially. I'm very happy to see that it graduated from just being a nutrition guide to something so much bigger. So I'd just like to say thanks to everyone who's watching this video, and for those of you over at my blog, and anyone else basically who's new to the SUPP UP brand. Now, in regards to Thanksgiving, I'd like to say that brings me to my next point. Some of you are probably wondering why I don't do Black Friday. And if you know anything about me, I mentioned this last year in the blog. Well, the short story is, I really don't give a fuck about Black Friday. That's the short story. Now the long, or maybe not that long, the long story is, if you've read any of my guides, I'm all about stripping away the inessential. I don't need to run Black Friday promotions, I never have, because I don't need to slash prices. Prices that are slashed, well, I kind of look at it like it could have been that price from the beginning. In my opinion, if something's good, and I mean really good, like worth its salt. Hypothetically, if I'm giving you something at a huge discount, why the hell would I make you pay that much higher before? This is why I don't do Black Friday. And this is the primary reason why I don't do Black Friday. I don't do it in my personal life. You know, I'm not one of those people that gets up early and tries to grab the best deal, and I'm using air quotes here. And I'm sure as hell not about to start doing it in my business life. As far as I'm concerned, just like every enlisted member of the armed forces is expected to punch above their weight in their given specialty, I expect what I share with you, whether it's in these videos, it's in the SUPP UP blog, or it's in the SUPP UP store, to punch above its weight and give you value for every penny spent, and then double that. And guys, you know, in the past, when I first started SUPP UP over, you know, Christmas and 4th of July, when I did give a huge discount, that was my way of giving back. Those particular days, I didn't make a profit. And I mean, I literally did not make a single red cent. But because of you, SUPP UP has come a long way from where it started. I have you all to thank for that, and so I did. That was my way of giving back. You know, now these days, I'd like to focus more on giving more to organizations like the ones listed on my site. You know, like Warriors and Wolves, or Soldiers to Sidelines, and even Warrior Angel Foundation, just to name a few. If you want to check those out, you can go ahead and check those out. The links are in the description below. And no matter where someone is, whether they're at home with the family, or they're deployed, or homeless even, everyone deserves to know how to fuel themselves with the right nutrition and the right food to keep moving forward and stay healthy. If they have the desire and they're willing to act on it, everyone deserves to know how to train themselves no matter where they are. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's get started on what you really came here for, this week's Grill Memoir video. So, I like poultry meats. I'm a big fan of red meats, but poultry wins in my book because it's pretty versatile when it comes to seasoning it. Plus, it's lighter on the gut when you don't feel like something's sitting heavy on your stomach. You've hopefully stuffed your face enough during the holidays to know this. So this recipe is a quick and easy one I like to make. It only takes 3, maybe 4 ingredients tops, tastes really good, and will get you full quickly. Plus, it's a great way to use up the leftover meat you may still have from the holidays, or even a hunt. So enjoy. All right, so this makes tasty leftovers. Prep time is roughly 10 minutes if you're quick. Cook time is 20 to 25 minutes for a total time of about 30 to 35 minutes. Items needed: you're gonna need a grill, a cast iron skillet, or a George Foreman griddle top, an oven, a small roasting pan, a big spoon, and 2 forks. Or hands, although, you know, you kind of need those anyway. For the ingredients, you're looking at leftover turkey legs, thighs, and whatever else you didn't eat during Thanksgiving dinner. Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce, Frank's buffalo wing sauce, and Texas toast. For the directions, step 1, you're going to take all your leftover turkey meat and pull it off the bones, making sure you don't grab any nasty stuff. Step 2, heat it up lightly on the grill for about 5 minutes because you don't want to dry it out, and then take it off and toss it into the roasting pan. Step 3, pour some Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce over it, enough to cover it, and get it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Then take it back out, pour some more sauce over it, and put it back in for the remaining 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4, take out your turkey meat and drizzle some hot sauce to taste on top. Step 5, take your forks and pull the meat apart more and fold the sauce and meat onto each other until everything's nice and covered. So you're kind of doing like a pulled turkey type thing. Step 6, grab a couple of slices of Texas toast, And yes, this is a cheat meal. Spread some full-fat butter on them and get them nice and crunchy by heating them over your grill or skillet. Step 7, toss them on a plate and spoon your barbecue turkey meat on top, making a barbecue turkey sandwich. Or optionally, if you don't want bread, you can always use 50-50 macaroni and make some damn good mac and cheese to go on the side. Come to think of it, I've never shared my recipe for mac and cheese, have I? Step 8, fight back whoever wants one, or make one for them too. The choice is yours. It's pretty easy, right? There's a few things to mention. I really like doing this because A, it means no meat gets wasted from festivities, and B, it's a nice cheat treat when you don't feel like having chicken. Depending on what meat I choose to have for Christmas, I also like to use this method for beef, chicken, or turkey. The only meat I find it hasn't gone too well with is duck, but don't worry, I'm tweaking it to find that perfect balance and flavor to offer you guys up a recipe for next time. Now, turkey legs and thighs can tend to be pretty intense in taste, especially wild turkey, so the flavors of the barbecue sauce and the hot sauce kind of mask that. Now, if you've read either SUPP UP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP UP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, you'll know exactly what I mean when I say the above ingredients provide you with plenty of nutritional benefits. And if you haven't, well, you know what to do. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. You've got your protein, fats, spices, and depending on if you went with mac and cheese, a relatively slow digesting carb, all while packing a punch and flavor. Now, speaking of Christmas, it's that time again. Next week, we're going to start the SUPP UP Christmas Countdown. So go ahead and check that out over in the blog, and I will see you next time. That's it, kids. School's out. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP UP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP UP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. And every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I won't wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. And all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork. Start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.